What's up guys, welcome back to Ronin Tactical. Today we're going through the everyday carry bag in my car. This is just sort of a bag that I keep in my car at all times. It's got everything you need really. It's got everything you need in it. I'm going to go through each bag, each pocket even, one by one, rip out all the kit and show you what's in there. Again, I'm not sure. I think it's a Miltech. It says here, yeah, Miltech Assault Pack Large. This is about 40 litres. So let's get into it. Okay guys, start off with, we'll go through this pocket. It's got a nice bit of Velcro on here so we can stick our patches on. This pocket's not got much in it really. It's got a pair of my hard knuckle gloves for work and a beanie, and that's it. It's a decent sized pocket, fit a decent amount of stuff in there, but that's all I've put in there this time. Moving down to the front here, as you can see, we've got more molly webbing. This is a clip for my ID number for when I'm at work. I've got, again, like on my last EDC bag video, this is my massive carabiner, nice pack of two, so I'll link that below from Amazon. Nice strong straps, just unclip these to make it easier. Okay guys, so in the front pocket we have some oil. This is for my car. It's always really good to have some oil on you. You never know what could happen out on the roads, especially in today's day and age. Obviously, oil is obviously vital to keep the car in good health, so make sure you've got some good quality synthetic oil with you in the car at all times. Here we have a Fram oil filter. It's been in my car a while. Just wait for next time I service the vehicle. Again, I like to service my vehicles quite regularly, more regularly than most people would, so that's why I keep this sort of stuff in the vehicle ready to go. Okay guys, moving on to the front medium sized pocket. It's quite hard to open with my hands. Paper towels. Again, when you're working in the car you get really dirty. I have a pump here, which is a 12 volt powered compressor. You can preset it to the desired tyre pressure and it will pump it up. Again, really useful out on the roads. I've helped so many people on the side of the road pump their tyres up to get them home. And it runs off your 12 volt socket as well, so it's super easy to use. Here we have my high vis, just in case I come across an RTC. It's just held together with some paracord here, nice and easy, nice and simple, and that's it for here. Oh no, I've also got a spoon as well, because you never know when you're going to need a spoon. Okay guys, now moving on to the main part of the bag. As you can see, the zip comes all the way down the side, making access super easy to all of your stuff, which is good. Oh, there we are. So in here I've got a bottle of Holt's tyre welds. Again, perfect for an emergency tyre repair on the side of the road. All you do is just flip the cap off, insert this, and it will fill your tyre up and inflate it for you. This is the larger one because I've got larger wheels on my car, so the standard one won't do. But again, super easy, only £10 from Amazon. I'll link it in the description if you want some. Really useful bit of kit. In here, got some documents for work. Like I said, this is sort of a work gear / car bag. These are my boots for work, Dr. Martens, carbon fibre, composite toe, super light, super durable, super comfy, completely waterproof. Money well spent in my book. So yeah, that's all I'm carrying in my car really at all times. It's super nice and easy to use, really accessible. It stays in my boot. It's secured as well in there. So yeah, I'll just go over a few features of the bag as well while we're here. Okay guys, so here's just a few more features of the bag. As you can see, it's a Miltech Assault Pack. I think I've already said that. Got a nice hidden pocket in here which runs down your back. We've got a decent material for airflow. It does get a bit sweaty on your back, but as I've mentioned before, it's not really a hiking pack as such. You've got hip straps if you need it. I suppose at a push, if you break down and you're stuck somewhere, it's always nice just to be able to have the carrying capacity with your stuff. Adjustable straps here, nice clips on the front, useful for attaching stuff to. And again, this molly webbing is just excellent. It's all over this. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos on EDC gear, tactical gear and more one take kind of stuff. I like to keep the channel quite simple and just really get to the information that everyone wants rather than making it look fancy. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and take it easy. Cheers.